आपका परिश्रम रंग लाया। जो किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचता है वो अगर शक्तिहीन हो जाएगा तो बुरा सोचने वालों की ताकत बुराइयों को जन्म देती रहेगी। और इसलिए भी जो किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचता है उसका सबसे ज्यादा बलवान होना बहुत आवश्यक होता है। और सबसे बड़ी गौरव की बात होगी, जो सपना हम देख रहे हैं हमेशा हर क्षेत्र में, मेक इन इंडिया, मेड इन इंडिया, आप लोगों ने दुनिया को यह संदेश दे दिया है अपनी सफलता के माध्यम से कि हम भी कुछ कम नहीं है।
All right, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there is speaking to the team, Mission Shakti team, the scientists who have actually done India proud today. Remember, in that opening statement, he mentioned something very critical. He said, if those who are peace-loving in the world do not have the strength, then it strengthens those who are not peace-loving, who may have devious plans or aggressive plans in the world, which is the central message that India has always sought to send out. It has changed its doctrine a little bit over the last few years. In fact, the last few decades only, since the time that nuclear technology was accepted despite world pressure. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi felicitating and congratulating Team Mission Shakti as we speak.
मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई, आप सबका अभिनंदन। आपका परिश्रम रंग लाया। जो किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचता है वो अगर शक्तिहीन हो जाएगा तो बुरा सोचने वालों की ताकत बुराइयों को जन्म देती रहेगी। और इसलिए भी जो किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचता है उसका सबसे ज्यादा बलवान होना बहुत आवश्यक होता है। और सबसे बड़ी गौरव की बात होगी, जो सपना हम देख रहे हैं हमेशा हर क्षेत्र में, मेक इन इंडिया, मेड इन इंडिया, आप लोगों ने दुनिया को यह संदेश दे दिया है अपनी सफलता के माध्यम से कि हम भी कुछ कम नहीं है।
All right, there you heard that message from the Prime Minister once again also highlighting the fact that this is a fully 100% indigenous program. India hasn't had to borrow this technology from those who already had. So that not only helped India in maintaining its confidentiality, but also announcing to the world that it's really capable of all that it desires. And specifically, we replayed that message coming in from the Prime Minister talking about how those who are peace-loving need to be the most strong, the strongest in the world to ensure peace around. Very, very key message coming in from the Prime Minister. This is, of course, the tenet with which it seems the Narendra Modi government is working ahead. We've seen this come after, preemptive military strikes, and now India going ahead and finally testing the anti-satellite missile program that, as former DRDO chief himself has said, was pending since at least 2013, if not 2012. India had demonstrable capability even at that time, but they weren't given the go-ahead.